categorically saying he is not going to go along with that sequencing. He is not going to be playing out the way that Brandon Lewis would like this to be played out, done by executive ministers reaching the decision around the executive table. And he hasn't ruled out the legal avenue there, as you heard him say. I think what he might do, Gareth, around this is that he might well wait till the point that the...
Look at that, the bar is still doing its own thing. Like it's gonna do it again.
What happens if it comes on down Sunday and the car comes through? There's the hand, look.
Yeah.
What happens if the car comes through? Oh!
Drumbane Road up cousin. And Craigavon, Craigavon. If you... Sounds a bit worse for Ra, and its sound has changed. Suppose he's involved and there was a bit closer. It's still the same, but it's got its tongue higher up now. Should we wait for another one here or something? Order. Okay. Then. So here, Drumbane Road, second closure of Drumbane Road level crossing in Craigavon, Craigavon, and the time is 17:22, and I don't know what the service is. I think it says no one says from Bangor to Craigavon, so I think this will be the 6th carriage now. We'll need to hear that a lot, but it's like when it's double stay one day. One day we'll need to hear that when it's double stay. They sound quieter here as well. Are we seeing a lot more? That's normal. I can't even hear it on this side either. So I think you can hear that now, because if you have your phone wide and then you would just hear it way better. You'll hear the quality, and then if you're over there, then you'll hear it from over there, and then if you're over here facing right at it, then you'll hear it. I do realise that whenever I watch my video ballerina, like what I did on Saturday, I noticed that the alarm where I was standing and where the fixed skirt was, I noticed I was skipping. Oh dear, I think that's gonna fail very soon as well. Like that. Like that one there. If an enterprise come, that would be good, because I wish we can hear that one day when it's skipping. You know what I mean? Whenever it's double stay, if it's really bad and faulty on double stay. So it's coming right this way. It should be coming right in the corner any second. Because it's in the station right now. Usually at past, then there's usually 6 carriages, and it's 24 right now, and so this will be the 6th carriage, I think. Wanna get around the corner? Yep, you are. Rebus and Cub. Port it on. 6th carriage, isn't it? No, it's still not 6th carriage. going for the Craigavon. We're not double stunned here either. Here we go.